So what's up guys, today I'll be showing you how to make an easy origami paper bird. So let's get started.
You'll need coloring pencils and scissors. If you don't have a square paper, you can turn a rectangular one into a square one. Fold the paper into a triangle like this, and then straighten the edges. Then cut out the part that isn't a triangle. You'll have a square paper. Fold the paper in half like this. Fold the paper into this shape, like you're making a boat. Then flip it over. Now it kind of looks like a crown. Fold the paper like this. And it should look like a two-layered square in the middle. After you do that, you want to fold it in half from left to right. Fold the top layer wing only back to the left. Then you want to fold the other wing backwards to the left. We're getting closer to the final form. Now for the beak of the bird, push the top spike inwards and fold it. If your measurements are perfect, it will look like a beak. Now, color and draw the origami however you please.
Hey guys, I'm Twin M from Craft It Fast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button right here and press the button right here to watch the other video. Goodbye.